안녕하세요, 진짜 참치입니다. 레고타자기는 이번 영상으로 4번째인데요. 아마도 다음 영상에서 마무리할 것으로 보여집니다. 가뜩이나 사공대가 약한데 황사인지 미세먼지인지 이놈들의 영향으로 목이 부어 있습니다. 목소리가 더 안 나오는 상태가 지속되고 있는데요. 외출 시에는 마스크를 꼭 착용하셔서 목 건강을 챙기시기 바랍니다. 언제나 그러하듯 저희 영상을 시청하시고 와, 저런 사람도 조립을 할 수 있는데 나도 할 수 있다 라는 자신감을 좀 얻으시고, 두 번째로는 조립을 실수했을 때 어디까지 분해했다가 재조립을 해야 되는지 확인하시는 참고가 되었으면 합니다. 이번 영상은 타자기 상판 덮개와 측면부 조립을 담았습니다.
Stop doing all that you should. When I get mad, you're giving me everything I want. How come you can't be the same way even on the days we get along? Instead of changing when you want, cause that's when I stop tripping and you start fixing every little thing that you did, so I don't end up with another man. I said I'm giving up, it's hard to know how long it's gonna last. Right before I say it's over with, I'm through with this, I'm throwing it in the trash. That's when I need you, but I'm leaving, but come see me, leave me alone. Hate you, but I love you more. I love you more. I love you more. I love you more. Hate you, but I love you more. Sometimes I get comfortable and do whatever you want. I can kiss and you can clean as soon as I get home, but it's never good enough. Something always wrong. You took advantage of my love. Hell no, cause that's when I start tripping and you start fixing every little thing that you did, so I don't end up with another man. Oh, I'm giving up, it's hard to know how long it's gonna last. Right before I say it's over with, I'm through with this, I'm throwing it in the trash. That's when I need you, but I'm leaving, but come see me, leave me alone. Hate you, but I love you more. I love you more. I love you more. I love you more. Hate you, but I love you more. Don't stop doing what you did to get me. Baby, you shouldn't need a reason to show me how much, oh, you love me. You show me you need me. You told me you'd die if I don't stay by your side. I know you're lying, boy. That's when I start tripping and you start fixing every little thing that you did, so I don't end up with another man. Oh, said I'm giving up, it's hard to know how long it's gonna last. Right before I say it's over with, I'm through with this, I'm throwing it in the trash. That's when I need you, but I'm leaving, but come see me, leave me alone. Hate you, but I love you more. I love you more. Gemini, born under a spring moon sky. Couldn't change her if you tried. She's got roses on her mind. Watch them grow wherever she wants to go. Never picking up her phone. She adores being alone. Whoa, and they say Juliet, when is she coming around? She ever settling down? They don't know Juliet. She never wants to be found. See, I'm for settling down. She's running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there. Day and night, chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. This in the storm as it's pouring. Day and night, chasing all the many lives of Juliet. Starstruck eyes, she's a rebel in disguise. Couldn't see it if you tried. It's so neatly wrapped inside. She's just like her mother's mother. A hit wrong, hit first daughter. Daughter floats like a butterfly, stings like a bee. She's tame as a river and wild as a sea. Oh, running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there. Day and night, chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. This in the storm as it's pouring. Day and night, chasing all the many lives of Juliet. Juliet, her sparkling silhouette. You never will forget the moment your eyes met. Oh, Juliet, her heart's not taken yet. Terrified of regret. So closer, know she will let go. Juliet, when is she coming around? She ever settling down? I don't know. Juliet, she never wants to be found. I'm for